Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. If you're looking for a whole set of accessories that are factory accessories at affordable price, go no further than ScooterWest.com. So here we have the latest generation Piaggio Liberty 150. And the same applies to the 50. So if you have this cool looking LED headlight and an LCD screen, these are accessories for you. So starting out with the new windscreen, it uses the new goalpost design. It's a perfect size, keeps the wind kicking over your head. I'm not really looking through it too much, but looking over it. You can find this on the Scooter West web store, LT30PA-26. We do have older generation windshields available for the older generation Liberty. There's also a Molosi fly screen that's a little shorter. Look for the prior videos I've done on installation of this windscreen. Pretty simple to install and pretty simple to remove if you don't want it in the summertime. The all-important side stand. On some models like the Vespa GTS, the side stand comes as a standard. Very handy to have. A little difficult to install, but pretty affordable. LT10-2026 is the part number specific for the newer generation Liberty. We also stock the older generation, which is LT10. So nice and easy to use for parking your scooter, and it's always helpful to have more storage. What's better than a nice color matched top case at an affordable price? So the way these are sold, it's the top case, which is this black part right here. That's LT35-2026. And then you order the color keyed cap that goes with it. You can order just the case itself. It's not going to look very cool. So whether you have a gray or a blue or a black Liberty, you can get the color keyed cover that matches with it. Look for my video on installation of this case. Real simple to install. 31-liter capacity, enough to hold like a nice name brand full-size helmet, and there's still enough to throw like a windbreaker and maybe a set of gloves in there as well. You could even do probably a full-size jacket if you turn the helmet on its side, give you a little bit more space. Put a bag of groceries in there. The last accessory I don't have on this case is you see these 4 indentations. You can get a passenger backrest pad, so a soft pad that will match the upholstery of the seat for the case. Not necessary, it looks really good without it. Even if you have a passenger, just having the security of the backrest or the case itself is pretty ample, but you can kind of dress it up with that extra backrest pad. The last accessory, super simple to install, is this rubber mat, because normally the Liberty just got a basic plastic floorboard, doesn't really feel that good. It gives you a little bit more traction and grip. Real simple to install. It's bolted in place so it doesn't fly away like many floor mats are just drop right in place. Super simple to install. LT mat fits all years of the Liberty. So there's a summary of the original Piaggio accessories that are available for the Liberty scooter, specifically the new 2025 model year and later, with the LED headlights and the new multifunction screen. See you on the next one. Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. So if you're looking for any of these accessories, ScooterWest.com. If you're looking to do your own service, oil change, replace the drive belt, new tire, just look no further than ScooterWest.com. See you on the next one.